Oh, so we're in Hollywood Studios here tonight, and look what's arrived.
It's Christmas time.
The stars are out, but not just the Hollywood stars, the Christmas stars, and everything else as far as the Christmas decorations are out here in Hollywood Studios. So we're gonna take a quick tour, walk around, see what we can see. Of course, the really official season starts in just a couple of days.
Yes, on Friday.
November the 6th, but you gotta get ready. Let's go see about Santa Gertie and some of the other things you can see here at Hollywood Studios. So as cool as Christmas decorations are in the daytime, they're so much cooler in the nighttime. So here at Hollywood Studios, as the night comes in, as the sun sets, all the lights go up, and of course you can see all the classic vintage stuff that you have as far as decorations are concerned here, such as Rudolph, the old-time Santa, and of course the porcelain figures and displays as well. But the Christmas tree at Echo Lake is so awesome to look at. And of course, if you can just catch it, Christmas Gertie as well. So we've got our porcelain sugar kids over here, our favorites of the, I guess, our creepy award for Christmas. They're cute, but in a not so, I don't know, what's the way to describe it? Offsetting way? Like, are these guys like sneaking into your house around Christmas time and stealing all the sugar in your house? I don't know, but they are cute. They have returned this year. I don't know the official names of these ladies. I like to call them the peppermint patties, but that's just me. Peppermint dresses, peppermint umbrellas. But they are so cute. They're not lit up just yet, but we still think some things need to be plugged in around here. So getting ready for the official start of the season come Friday. So one of the biggest questions we get this season, upcoming holiday season, is are they going to have sunset seasons greetings here at Hollywood Studios like they've done for the past several years? Snow and special scenes here down Sunset. We've not heard anything as of now. Not a single thing has been mentioned. So it's possible that it may not be returning this year. But we'll have to see. Maybe they will surprise us. They are in the middle of doing decorations right now. Not all of them are up just yet. So maybe by Friday, the official start of the season, we'll hear something official as to whether or not Sunset Seasons Greetings will be returning here at Hollywood Studios.
So much fun. I think that's why you guys are starting new tracks.
All right, so as cool as these decorations are, and as much as it is great to see most of them lit up, we do see that there are a few strands here and there that are not quite lit up just yet.
It's a work in progress.
It's a work in progress. They got some things to plug in still.
Yep.
That's okay. It's not until officially until Friday. So.
And what is up is gorgeous. So.
And we know it's going to get there. It's going to get there. So
Yep.
we're going to be back. Matter of fact, we're going to be live streaming here next week. And of course, we're going to be coming back when all the Christmas treats come out here as well.
Yes.
So check it out, you guys. Thanks for watching tonight. Stay with us here at Magic. Thank you very much. And we will see you guys.
In the parks.
Thanks for watching, guys. Have a great night.
Looks like her.